This is Rebecca Shostall with Digital Thinker. Today I want to share a few enhancements related to Overview 360 and Hexagon EAM version 12.1.1. For those of you who may not be familiar with Overview 360, there are now two screens. The existing Equipment Overview 360 screen and the new Organization Overview 360 screen. Respectively, these screens are equipment and organization specific and are a great way for users to display and view equipment and work-related information in Hexagon EAM. As you can see on my screen, the Overview 360 screens are comprised of various widgets. On the new Organization Overview 360 screen, you have the ability to filter by organization. This is great for multi-org environments where users have access to multiple organizations. When an organization is selected, widgets sensitive to the selected organization will refresh. In version 12.1.1, templates can be created and can be personal, public, and even set up and applied to specific user groups. Here I can select an existing template. And depending on user permissions, users can create and save new templates. The ability to create templates is based on user permissions, as there are two new checkboxes on the user setup screen. A user can act as a template administrator as long as Allow Editing Overview Templates is checked and Prevent Personal Overview is unchecked for the user. Once a template has been created, it can be assigned to a user group on the User Group screen, Overview Templates tab. Since setting up the Overview 360 screens can be complex for some users, this is a great way to easily share a template, saving users time and ensuring they are viewing relevant information based on their role. One final enhancement to mention is the new record button available for list widgets. Here I have a list widget for unassigned deferred maintenance. Users with insert permissions to the screen associated with the widget can quickly create a new record. I hope you are as excited about these enhancements as I am. If you have any questions, please comment below or reach out to the Digital Thinker team, as we would be happy to assist you. Thank you.